ebalulekile yokubhabhadisa abaningi. Zezwe izitha zoqobo lukaJesu. Founder.
Although in fact it was not Jesus.
The changing of the statement. Although the real fact was not Jesus who was baptizing, but they are disciples who were baptizing.
Amen.
Akuyena uJesu. Ngiyayithanda le correction. Uthi lapha eqinisweni kwakungeyena uJesu obhabhatisayo, kodwa kwakungabafundi ababhabhatisayo ogqobeni lukaJesu. Oh my God.
Amen.
It was like uJesu wayededela abafana nofana. Yaba sebefikile ngifuna ukubona lento seliyibambile. Ake ngibhabhadise. Amen. Ngesikhathi bebhabhadisa. Wayethembile